thousands period, lakh period and crore periods. Okay, so what these periods are saying, that in Indian system the once period having three places. The once period having three places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. This ones period having three places, ones, tens and hundreds, and all other three periods having only two places. Like in thousand period, only two places are there. One is thousand and the other is 10,000. Like that way, in lakh period also only two places are there. Lakh, 10 lakh. In crore period also only two places are there. Crores and 10 crores. So this is Indian place value chart, in which the number of digits in a number is arranged in its period according to this. In ones, three digits, first three places occupies, then thousand, lakh and crore having two places of the digits of the given number. So this is Indian place value chart. We can say this is Indian place value chart. It having basically four periods: ones, thousand, lakh and crore. In ones period there are three places: ones, tens and hundred. In thousand period, the next period is thousand, which having only two places: thousand and 10,000. In lakh, having two places: lakh, 10 lakh, and in crore also two places: crore, 10 crore. So this is Indian place value chart. So according to this number system, this Indian number system, how the large numbers are placed. Let us see one example for it. Suppose we have this large number 176152930. So how we will place in the period of Indian number system? Indian number system says the periods are divided basically into four. In first period there are three places. So there are these three places, 1, 2, 3 will comes in first period. Then next period of only two places. Second period. Then again two places having the next period. That's this third period. And the fourth period also having only two places. Fourth period. So what we call the first period? Ones. What we call the second period? Thousand. What we call the third period? Lakh. What we call the fourth period? Crore. Okay, so now we have find the periods for this number, in which period this numbers belongs. Now let us form. We have arranged this number of digits according to the period of Indian number system. So how will we will write according to Indian system? Let us, there are two places, 10 crore and crore. So 10 crore means 17 it is given. So it means it is 17 crore. 17 crore. Then lakh period. So here again lakh, 10 lakh. So it is 61 lakh. Then the next period is 1000 period. So 1000, 10,000 means 52,000. Now next one is ones period, in which 930, 9 at 100 place, 3 as tens place, and 1 is at ones place. As it is given 3 places, ones, tens and 100. So 9 100 place, 3 tens place and 0 ones place. So it is 930. So we will read this large number as 17 crore 61 lakh 52,930. 17 crore 61 lakh 52,930 according to the periods in Indian number system. So in this video we have learned about Indian number system, Indian place value chart, and how to write the digit in Indian place value chart, and how to write the numbers, large numbers according to this system, and how to read it. In my next video we will discuss about international number system. In that we will learn what is international place value chart and how the periods arrange in that, how the digits arrange in that period, and how to read and write the numbers according to international place value chart.